So, what are you doing over there?
So I'm packing the bag. We're leaving the van for 3 days. We're going somewhere nice and tropical. We're ticking off one of our bucket list items. We're doing the Great Barrier Reef. So we've got 2 nights on a liveaboard, so 3 days on the reef. We're going to be doing some night diving. We've never done that before, so we can't wait. Let's see how we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is gonna be our house for the next 3 days. Chan, chan. That is us. And by the way, I'm giving up on the dream to have my own boat. Why? Because I was supposed to.
This is.
Let me show you. It's gonna be our house in the next 3 days.
Reef encounter. Look at this. He's excited.
Oh yeah. Seasickness, but
Someone doesn't like the rough seas.
oh my god! But look at this.
This is our room. 2 nights in here. This is pretty nice.
And look at the view. Chan chan.
Here we go. Scuba dive number 1. Down she goes.
Once we were inside of the water, we couldn't describe what we were feeling. Are you excited for lunch?
Oh, this is probably, it's almost better than diving, getting lunch.
Are you excited for lunch?
Yes.
I am excited for lunch.
So we've got chicken and chips, corn.
Here we have in action one of the wildest animals in Earth. He is attacked. Oh, green. That is new. That is new in the
Are you trying to
diet.
impress the camera?
It's very, very unusual.
Yeah, decoration for the fried chicken.
Usually
And so here we have the wild American in his natural habitat, the buffet table. They say one bite from his vicious teeth can deliver lethal toxins to a piece of fried chicken from 100 meters away.
Chan chan! Look at this in action.
It's mostly salad, I swear.
for you, maybe.
Yes, this is the torch that will be on your BCD outside. Alright guys, so when you guys get ready as normal, you will notice that we'll already have this placed on, and we will also turn them on for you.
We've been running to get ready.
So we're going for our first night dive. We're pretty excited.
I have to change my pants for a small one.
It's actually a little bit cold now with the wind.
But we are so excited.
We saw a couple of little sharks off the side of the boat already, so it's keen to see what we're going to find down below. That's right, yeah. Here we go.
Look all those losers. I was the first one.
And then work your way into these shallows, not going too far, because up here it's only about 1 metre, 2 metres. Alright, it's too shallow to snorkel.
Another day, another time. Just look at that sunrise. Guys.
Are you ready?
I think so.
Morning dive. Here we go.
The Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest coral reef system, composed of over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands, stretching for over 2,300 kilometers. And we were there, diving and discovering why this is a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
I still can't believe that I'm in the Great Barrier Reef. It's so beautiful.
Did you like our video? Don't forget, subscribe, like and share it.